Hey there, tech enthusiasts.
Welcome back to another episode of Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into the world of business projectors with the BenQ LH730. This sleek device promises to bring professional-level image quality and convenience to your presentations. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you enjoy our content, and let's jump right into the details. Greetings, everyone. Today, we're taking a closer look at the BenQ LH730, a business projector that's been eagerly awaited. It's all about clean, crisp images and professional performance. Let's see how this device sets itself apart from the rest. The BenQ LH730 shines with its remarkable brightness and long-lasting LED technology. With a lifespan of 30,000 hours, this projector is designed to keep up with your business demands. Its impressive color accuracy adds a touch of brilliance to your presentations. Managing this projector is a breeze. Control it remotely, utilize Wi-Fi connectivity, or take advantage of BenQ's DMS local LAN control software. If you're into compatibility, fear not. Creston, AMX, and PJ-Link integration are here to make your life easier. Let's talk about setup and design. Out of the box, the BenQ LH730 boasts a sleek white casing with user-friendly controls and manual zoom and focus dials. The setup process is a breeze. I had my laptop connected in under 3 minutes. Digging into the settings, I was pleasantly surprised by how user-friendly the interface is. BenQ keeps things simple, making navigation a breeze. Adjusting focus and zoom is intuitive, and the ports on the back make connecting hassle-free. Despite its professional-grade performance, the LH730 maintains a relatively compact form factor. Its image quality is impressive, and setup is surprisingly quick. BenQ's choice to recess the lens adds a layer of protection, whether it's on your desk or ceiling mounted. Importantly, the LH730 is built for business. Unlike consumer projectors, it's designed to run almost continuously, making it an ideal choice for meetings, presentations, and more without downtime. Moving on to ports, the LH730 offers a solid selection. With 2 HDMI ports, a Wi-Fi dongle port, network line, and 232 rupees, BenQ ensures seamless connectivity. The ease of access to ports is a thoughtful touch. I tested the LH730 in various settings, and its keystone correction and 1.2 optical zoom helped fine-tune the image. While it's not a 4K projector, BenQ includes 3 viewing modes to enhance clarity: infographic, presentation, and spreadsheet modes. Summing it up, the BenQ LH730 strikes the perfect balance between quality and price. It's a reliable, high-quality business projector with impressive brightness and color accuracy. Its long-lasting LED lights ensure virtually zero maintenance, making it an excellent choice for medium-sized conference rooms, lecture halls, lobbies, and classrooms. That wraps up our deep dive into the BenQ LH730. With its remarkable features, ease of use, and outstanding image quality, it's a strong contender in the business projector realm. If you're in search of a professional-grade solution that balances performance and value, the BenQ LH730 is definitely one to consider. Thank you for joining us today on Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for more tech insights and reviews. Until next time, keep exploring the world of technology with Product Critique.